Hello, St. Amelia artists. This week I want to jump right into our next project, which is going to be a unity puzzle. So what you're going to need is some colored pencils, at least 4 different colors. You're going to need a pencil, and then if you have one, a black marker to just go over your pencil lines. So I'm actually going to draw everything with my marker. So first thing I'm going to do is on my piece of paper, I'm going to draw the biggest heart that I possibly can draw. So it's just like drawing 2 candy canes, one facing right and the other facing left, and they join in the middle. Then what you're going to do is you're going to make your puzzle pieces, which we are eventually going to cut out. So I just started by drawing a little tiny line from the top of my heart, and then I drew a U going to the side and a line below that. Squaring it off, I make another U in the center of my line. So we're making 4 different puzzle pieces. So you're going to make a line for each of those puzzle pieces with a U in the center of it. We're eventually going to cut these out. So these little U's that we're making are actually going to be how we know how to connect our heart back together. Also, if you need any extra help with this, what you can do is pause the screen, make it as big as you can, and just trace what I have already made. So next, you're going to color each of those puzzle pieces a different color. I actually chose some skin colors. These are the only skin colors I had, and then I added pink because I wanted to show what unity means to me. So I also want you to think about what unity can mean to you. So the definition of unity is the state of being united or joined as a whole. So when I think of this word, I think of people from all over the world coming together, working together, and using their differences as a benefit to all. So I'd love for you to discuss with your parents, with your siblings, with your grandparents, what they think the word unity means as well. And you can write to me, tell me what you think, and we can have a discussion about it. And if you have any questions, let me know. And I'm going to speed this up so that we can get to the fun cutting out part. And now to actually make your puzzle come alive, you can cut along the black line that you've created when you first drew your heart in your puzzle pieces. Make sure that you cut right along that line so that all of our puzzle pieces in the end will fit together perfectly. So go really slow, be very careful. If you need help, ask for it. And then you can test it out on your siblings, you can test it out on your family members, and see if they can figure out your puzzle and figure out the meaning of it. Once again, I hope you enjoy this project, and if you want to do any other projects on your own based on the word unity, you can do that. Take a photo and send me a picture, and I will be so happy to see it. See you next time.